All right, we're looking at number 12 here. Oxygen difluoride, unstable molecule, reacts readily with water. We want to calculate the bond energy of the OF bond using the standard enthalpy of reaction and the bond energy data provided. All right, so what that means is I have the equation here and I have the energy of that equation. So if it goes forward, this is what it releases, 318 kilojoules. And I have the bond energy for three of the reagents that are in that equation to actually show how much energy we get when a bond is broken or formed. I just didn't give you an OF. So we're going to try to solve for that OF and figure out what that value actually is. All right, so how we can use this. Turns out that equation is always found by if you add up the bond energies of the bonds broken and subtracted all of it, the bond energy of the bonds formed, you would actually get that delta E. So not in just proportional, they are actually equal. So that's what we're going to do. So our bonds broken are these OF bonds. And in that molecule, there would be two of them because it's OF2. And in water, it's going to have two OH bonds. That would be the only bonds being broken. And the ones being formed, we're going to subtract from that you're going to actually make an OO double bond, and just one, and you're also going to make two HF bonds. Broken, formed. And we're just going to plug things in. So we're going to solve for this OF. But the OH I gave you, it's that 467. And these two that I'm going to subtract, we know how much an oxygen-oxygen bond is. That's the 498. And we know two HF bonds, each HF bond is 565 kilojoules. And when we add all these together, we should get that negative 318. And we're going to use this to solve for the OF. Bring up the calculator here. So we have that negative 318. And I'm going to bring this over, so get rid of that sign and add 498 plus 2 times 565 gives me this. And now I'm going to subtract 2 times 467. And that should be 2 OF bonds, so I'm going to divide that by 2. And I get that the OF bonds are 188 kilojoules per bond.